Hello students, today we are going to learn about the vitamins from our lesson component of the food. In the last video we have discussed about various sources of the nutrients like fats, proteins, vitamins, water, roughage like that. So in this video we are going to discuss about the detail in the vitamins and its sources. So generally vitamins are helpful for our body to keeping away from the various diseases like skin diseases, eyes diseases, gums, teeth, and it keeps our body healthy. So like that vitamins are helpful for our body. There are so many various types of the vitamins are there like a vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Like that so many various vitamins are present in our food. But in that vitamin B complex is a different vitamins source, because in that vitamin B there are so many subtypes are there. Generally if we are taking any food for eating, so in that various types of the nutrients are present. If you are taking rice, so in that other nutrients are present, but it is rich in carbohydrate, so because of that it is called as a carbohydrate rich source. If you are taking egg, so in that proteins are present, along with that fats also present, but in that more are the proteins, so that's why it is called as a protein rich source. So like that so many various sources of the food are containing different type of the nutrients. So vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K are type of the vitamins which are helpful for our body to keeping away from diseases. So now there are vitamins are given, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. So these all are helpful for our body. So what they are given help for our body? So first is vitamin A. Vitamin A is keeping our skin and eyes healthy. If we are vitamin A rich source of food, then we are keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Like that vitamin C help our body to fight against many diseases. Then vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for our bones and teeth. Then vitamin B and vitamin C both are water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B is a key player in maintaining cell health and keeping our body as a energized. So like that the vitamin B is given us the benefits to keep energized. So like that way these all are beneficial for our body. But how we are obtaining that vitamins for our body? So now a source of vitamin A, which are the food items are there. In that vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K and vitamin A, like that vitamins are present. So here I am given sources of vitamin A, which are those many of the fruits are there, but in that mostly papaya, mango, carrot, all these are sources of vitamin A. along with that milk and fish. These all are sources of vitamin A. Next, vitamin B in wheat, rice, meat, that vitamin B is present. Also, that vitamin B is present in green vegetables, that liver meat also. So it is present in every substance, every food, but it's the quantity is depending on the food item. So nowly I am given an example about rice. In that large amount of carbohydrates are present, so that's why we are calling that rice carbohydrate rich food. So like that, in every fruit there are so many vitamins are present, but in that which is a large amount of vitamins are present, so that's why it is called as a vitamin B rich, vitamin C rich, vitamin A rich food. So now wheat, rice and liver, these are sources of vitamin B. Now sources of vitamin C, which are those? Amla, lemon, green chili, guava, orange, tomato. All these are a rich source of vitamin C. So always you include all these substances, all these foods in your diet. Vitamin D. Generally we are getting vitamin D from sunlight at morning time, but it is also present in our food items, which are those like a milk, butter, fish, egg, liver meat. Like that, these are the foods in that vitamin D is present, but the source of vitamin D is sunlight. We are getting it without any cost from sunlight. So it is a source of vitamin D. So like that, we all are discussed about various sources of vitamin A, B, C, D. So about roughage and fiber and water, we are going to discuss in detail into the next video, how the roughage are keeping clean our body from inside, and how it balance our metabolism of our body. So that all we are going to discuss into the next video. Up to that, you do your homework which I given on the screen. So exercise I am given here: write sources of vitamin A, write sources of vitamin C, write sources of vitamin D, write sources of vitamin B in your notebook. Up to that, stay home safe, stay tuned. Thank you very much.